How to update payments in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can update our payment method on Netflix. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. To update our payment option on Netflix, we will not use the application. Instead, what we will do is we will actually open up our browser and then we want to go to netflix.com. And after you go to netflix.com on your browser, you simply want to make sure to sign into your account. Now after you've signed in, just tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then over here you simply want to go to the option called accounts, as you could see. And then once you basically go to the account option, over here you'll be able to see all of your membership details and so on. So since we are learning to change our payment method, all we have to do is just choose the button that says manage payment info, which you see right over here. And as you tap on the manage payment info option, on the next specific page it will give you some other information. So let's just wait until the web page has successfully loaded up. So as you can see here, my current card details are over here, and if I want to actually change that, I can just tap on the edit button right next to it and then enter the new card details. Or else if I want to add another one, I just need to tap on the add payment method option. I can choose to add a credit or debit card, or I can also choose to add my PayPal account in this case. Once I add a selected payment option, I'll be able to successfully use Netflix from that payment method. And that's all it takes to update your payment method on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.